Hey guys, Trevor Brandon here, Pinnacle West. We've had a couple requests to do a T3 pump rebuild. So today Brandon's going to tear one apart for us here using a 25M 555 kit. Let's get after it.
We're going to start by taking the parts out of the box. This box includes the replacement air motor as well as some grease we'll use later on in the video. We're going to start with the 10mm socket and we'll remove the air valve off the back of the T3 pump. There's 4 bolts we're going to remove. This is just a close-up of the air motor that came out of the box. Once all 4 bolts are removed, you can remove the air valve. Being careful, there's 2 seals in there that you'll take off and place to the side, just out of the way so they don't get damaged as you take apart the rest of the pump. We will be reusing them later. We can now remove the studs off the bottom using a 7/16 wrench. There's 3 of them you'll remove. Next, you're going to need a 13mm and you'll remove the 2 bolts from the bottom of the pump. With both the 13mm bolts removed, the top of the case will split open. Now we can start rebuilding. Remove the black cylinder off the top cap and you can remove the old seal. This kit includes a new seal for the top, which we'll put on with some fresh grease. Now you can take your new air motor and apply grease on the piston seal and the top seal. Don't be shy with the grease. We're also going to apply grease inside the black cylinder. You can now clip back in the outside shell. And the 2 13mm bolts will go back in the bottom of the T3 pump. Make sure to screw both of them down evenly so they don't pinch the seal by screwing down one side all the way first. Here in the close-up, we're just confirming the outer housing ended up in the groove on both sides, on the top and the bottom of the pump. You can now grease the back of your air valve and put the seals back in that you took out at the beginning of the project. You can now put the air valve back onto the transfer pump and put the 4 10mm bolts back in. Now that the 4 10mm are back in and tight, you can put the studs into the bottom of the pump. Now that the 3 studs are tight, you've completed your upper T3 rebuild. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Pinnacle West, 1-800-901-0088. Have a great day.